2018 marked NextGear Capital's biggest and best investment in our clients and their success. We committed to developing solutions designed to keep dealers focused on their goals, remove time and stress crunches related to administrative tasks, and offered complete flexibility when it comes to running day-to-day operations. Strategic change that strengthens our dealer relationships drove one of our most significant improvements, the performance management system. Dealers now benefit from working with performance managers on a more strategic level, delivering expertise and customized market insights. Your time is valuable, so we're maximizing our interactions to drive profits and results. We also addressed concerns about fees, offering clarity and understanding around what's being billed and the fees NextGear Capital charges. We even removed a number of fees and added transparency around the ones you still see. We created simple, easy-to-use tools inside your account portal like AutoPay, RapidPay with expedited funding, and My Audits. AutoPay is a free, automated system that makes late fees a thing of the past by managing payments on your NextGear Capital floor plan. No more guesswork on what needs paid and when. RapidPay streamlines the flooring process for non-auction purchases, offers expedited funding, and allows dealers to ship their titles for free. Our clients are empowered to acquire inventory when and how they need it. My Audits delivers in real time, so you see what units require verification, make informed decisions on your floor plan, and get a clear and fast path to payoffs, all while avoiding unnecessary fees. When you choose NextGear Capital, the possibilities are endless, because we're driven to help you get the most out of your floor plan. Flexible tools and solutions, unique access to market insights, and a transparent approach to everything we do means we're developing more than ever before. There's never been a better time to partner with NextGear Capital.